If you're planning to start a website, this is probably the best deal you'll get right now. Hostinger is currently offering up to 85% off on their top hosting plans. But here's the part most people miss. You can actually stack an extra discount on top of that. Just click my link in the description, and when you reach checkout, use the coupon code VIP4U to get an additional 10% off. So instead of paying full price, you're getting powerful, reliable hosting at one of the lowest prices possible. And it's not just cheap, it's packed with value. You get free extra months added to your plan, fast loading speeds, a clean and beginner-friendly dashboard, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So there's absolutely no risk. Whether you want to start a blog, build your personal brand, or launch an online business, this is a smart way to begin without spending too much. Make sure you use the link in the description and apply the code VIP4U before this offer disappears. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more money-saving tips and online tools.